What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we got a 1966 Plymouth Belvedere, and up under the hood, a 426 Hemi. This is kind of a rare find for those that know about it. This has got power steering. It's a beautiful car all the way around. We've got disc brakes in the front, drum in the rear. And we're gonna be doing a little walk around, pointing out any kind of flaws I can find so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. I went ahead and opened the hood and the trunk, not throwing the camera around, getting crazy with it. Check out maplemotors.com. We have inventory up here from the 60s, 70s, 80s. We have financing and shipping available. 100 detailed pictures of every car. And we post to this channel every day. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you want to see cars for sale. Let's get started here. So coming across the front end, got a nice clean bumper. The grill and everything's nicely clean. It's not all eat up. Nice and shiny. We're gonna go down the lower portion of the car first. That's where the problems usually persist. Coming around the fender here. A little dirt. This car is slick. It's the only reason I'm kind of cruising through here. There's not any kind of imperfections that I've seen. Got a little bit oxidation on top of the door handle there. And I noticed that door handle was pretty stiff. You gotta push it a few times. Well, worked perfectly that time, but some more pitting on the mirror. See, it's kind of frosty. Down the top section here. A little thick on the paint there, guy. There's a chip in the windshield, right in the center. Some more oxidation popping up on the trim there. Got a few chips popping up right in here. This car is just nice. It has been sitting in our showroom. First time I pulled it out since we bought the car. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the back here. We'll hit the other side, see what we can find. This thing's brand new. They must have just bought this. They even got the sheet in here for it. We'll go ahead and pull it up anyways. It's nice and clean up under it. Got the spare tire up under there. Everything's solid. Package tray's nice and clean. Let's pull it to this side. Checking it out. And I'll try to make it look somewhat nice. You know, just throw it back. So as you walk up on it, you can see the jam of it's in pretty good shape. There's a couple little chips in there. Weather stripping looks good. See some of them chips under the paint there. Let's go ahead and shut this trunk down. Shuts down pretty easy. Little spot in the paint down there in the corner, dual exhaust out the back, and the rear bumper looks pretty good. I told him it wasn't a fire, it's just a nice car. Come on, guys. Oh, we're gonna do the same on this side. Down the lower portion of the car. Coming back to midsection. Same thing as the driver's side, got some pitting on the door handle. Could be confused as a gas cap, can't it? Just nice and slick. Not too much to pick. Another little chip in the windshield. We got two now. Quick enough. Let's go ahead and check this interior out. We'll get her started up, and then I'm going to be taking her down the road for a test drive. I do that with all the vehicles. There's always a two-part video of each car. Oh, see? It's all stiff now. There we go. It worked. So we opened it up. We checked the interior out here. It's in great shape. The carpet looks good. The seat is in great shape. Back seat, same thing. Package tray, headliner. What do you think? You think that horn works? A little bit of fading on the glove box. We'll get to that in a second. Let's check this door panel out. Got nice weather stripping around the door. Underside is very clean. Same with the jambs. Jumping off in here, you can see the glove box is a bit faded. Dash is in great shape. It's not all cracked up. And I'm not even gonna touch it, just see what happens here. Starts right up. Sounds great. The heat's blowing, heater's on. Cut that off, we don't need that today. Wipers working. Tell you what, the water temperature gauge is not up. We'll give it a little bit. Sometimes on test drives, this thing just starts working. I've had that happen on multiple cars. Oil pressure is working. It is way up there. We got tons of oil pressure. The volt gauge is not hooked up as well. Radio. Oh, I hear it. Radio's working. 86,000 miles is what it's showing on the dash. Not saying that's original, but it very well could be in this model. Let's try this horn. Oh no, you'd think that one would work. It's a little loose there. Yeah, they just don't have it hooked up right, I don't guess. Let's see if we can get it to work. May not have it hooked right up under the hood. Get back on there. There we go. All right. Let's see what she sounds like out here. Pretty quiet up under the hood. This thing is super clean. Go ahead and shut this hood down. See how it lines up. Oh, that's the only thing that I've seen on this whole car is the hood here. Look. Got a few little cracks on the front by the Plymouth. Got some on the edge here in the corner. Right here on the hood. A little high there, you can push it down. Lines up better. Okay. We've made it all the way around. Now we're going to give you some undercarriage shots. We're going to start up here in the front, go all the way around. I do have 100 detailed pictures of this one at maplemotors.com, so be sure to check that out. Let's look under it. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button for daily content. Be looking for this test drive video. We're about to take this car down the road, see how she runs and drives. I'll link them together, the last 30 seconds of this one. And if you go to maplemotors.com, I have 100 detailed pictures, financing, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories, and all of our inventory. We update that every Monday with new cars. Be sure to check that out. I don't want to thank y'all for sharing my videos. It helps us out greatly. So if you don't mind, hit that like button. Hit that share button. I'm taking this thing down the road. I'll see y'all soon.